Magic 89.9.
Hey, welcome to Magic Hangout. We do this every last Thursday of the month, which means it is the last Thursday of August. And then Merry Christmas na in a few days. I am with... when was the last time? Parang 2 months ago, no? Tayo, Aubrey. And then...
Yes.
Nicole with Jairus was like 3 months.
3 months.
So welcome back.
Yes.
Parang ang tagal. Actually, pumuputi na yung buhok. Ganon. But welcome back. Vibe check. Super maulan the past few weeks.
I know.
How did you guys cope up with the weather, ganon, etc. Ganyan. Sige, Aubrey, ka muna.
Ako, walang hirap cause nagko-commute ako pag pupunta sa mga ganap. So, grabeng talaga, struggle yon for me. Pero, wala kailangan, kung kailangan ko lumabas, kailangan ko lumabas.
Lumaban.
Yeah, kailangan lumaban din sa weather.
Pero luckily with me naman, yung tapings namin naka-cancel kasi it's both a good and a bad thing kasi medyo nade-delay kami pero at the same time it's for everybody's
Safety.
Yeah.
Okay, since you mentioned na nagko-commute ka, ikaw ba nagko-commute ka rin?
No.
No? Kasi, sige, di ikaw na lang.
Ay, di ka.
Sige, ganyan. Nandito na. Kasi nagko-commute din ako eh. Ito yung tanong ko for you. Baka may mag-give ka rin tips for other commuters out there. How do you make sure na you're still fresh? Ganun, ready for your job even despite commuting sa ganong maulan, ganyan?
For me naman, pag lalo na pag may ganap, I make sure na tinadala ko like big bag talaga. So, whenever I can, tinatry ko talaga mag-retouch, tas nandun na lahat. Like, I have mini payong, I have cap, kung ano mang maging weather. So,
Girl Scout.
oo, at saka hindi ako naiyang mag-retouch kahit saan. For me to look fresh lang. Oo.
So, yung mga essentials mo is like, yung nga, pang makeup, caps, ganyan, pamunas, baby wipes?
I also have that. Pati yung mga toiletries. Meron din ako mga mini na toiletries.
Ang sayo mo maging kaibigan, no? Para
I
pag may
know.
kailangan ako.
Girl
sa
Scout.
pag-iyo.
Yeah. Same kami actually. Pag taping siya din naman. Sobrang
Super
complete na
daming dala.
complete.
Okay, I like having girls as friends. Kasi pag lalaki, wallet lang ang dala.
Actually. And phone.
And
Ayun lang.
phones. Yun na, parang complete na buhay namin. Okay, a lot of things also happened the past few weeks. There was this one huge thing and it was the All-Star Games.
Yes.
So siya, Avengers Endgame ng lahat under Viva tapos naglaban kayo for prizes, for medals and bragging rights. How was it? Was this like the first time or hindi na this was or was there anything different na nangyari dito sa All-Star Games na ito?
This is the first time that we've ever tried this. So it was all exciting to do. Pero iba-iba yung ginawa namin. Nasa cheering siya, I did volleyball, then the boys did basketball. It's fun to see them in a different light.
Na
You
hindi
know
lang
what
sa
I mean?
characters or sa taping.
Or like,
Or hindi lang din, yung iba kasi, yung kalaban ng mga actors ay Viva Records, recording artists. So, makita talaga nila yung
Sabi ko,
sportsmanship.
hoy, nakikinig lang ng kanta nito.
Were there like moments na first time nyo lang makita ang isa't isa through that avenue or
Yes,
hindi naman?
yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Lalo na yung mga singers, like, it's my first time na makita si Arthur Neri. Sa totoo lang.
Really?
Yeah.
Actually, gulat nga ako nag-ano siya sa basketball game nila. Tapos ganun pala siya gumalaw. Sabi ko, wow, akala ko boses lang niya yung swabe.
Diba? Ako kay Zeke Abel.
He's so
Oh
funny.
my gosh! Like sabi ko,
Akala ko
I was
comedian lang din
shouting,
siya.
I was shouting sa side ng court. Sabi ko, picture! Sabi ko, busy.
He's
Kasi
on-
I'm a fan too, and he sings really well.
Nasa FYP mo rin siya, di ba?
Yes.
Oo, he has this other account. Diba, syempre account niya yung humor niya, ganyan. Tapos biglang laging may nagko-comment na, uy, di ka naman marunong kumanta. Tapos bigla siyang kakanta.
Tapos ang galing.
Apparently, yung account pala na yun is his second account.
Yeah.
With all of his song
Serious
covers, all the
singing.
serious singing niya. So nagulat din ako na and apparently he also plays basketball.
That's
so,
why.
So parang ano pa bang kulang sa kanya?
Yeah.
Parang lahat na lamang siya, no?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's start with the cheerleading. We have I think baka fake news ako nito but meron kami junior jock dito, 'di ba? Si Anna, she's from Raya din. I think nakita ko sa stories niya, I think nag-cheerleading din siya. Kasi nakita ko siya nasa ere.
Oh, yeah,
Hindi siya
yeah.
binato pero nakatayo siya sa balikat ng someone.
nag-stunt din siya.
How was cheerleading for you? Was this like something new or ano ka rin ba? Majorette ba yung tawag doon no? Nung sa high school or something?
Parang
Cheer ganon?
cheerleader, pep. Parang gano'n. Gaya yung tawag. Pero ako, it's my first time na mag-cheer dance. I dance, pero hindi talaga ako yung, kasi syempre pag cheer dance, tinanong nga nung coach namin sino dito marunong mag gantong stunt? So, taas silang kamay. Sino man mag-split? Taas silang kamay. Sino man cartwheel? Ako lang yung wala. Sabi ko, I can dance. Yun lang yung
galing mo doon.
Oh, I can dance, I can cheer, I can like, shout.
Motivational support, ganyan.
Yeah, I can chant, ganun lang. Pero yun nga, si Raya Ana, she's part of Viva One. Ako sa Viva Records. Yeah. So ako naman, it's so hard kasi 2 days lang yung practice ko for cheer dance. Yeah,
Parang kulang-kulang
Yeah, 2 days. Tapos parang dun sa 2 days na yun, parang 3 to 4 hours lang yung rehearsals ko, yung practice ko kasi galing pa akong shooting. So after ko shooting, diretso akong practice and then balik ako shooting.
Sobrang booked and busy mo talaga, no? Pati ito may time ka for the 2 days.
Sabi ko nga, pero alam mo sa totoo lang, dapat may Vietnam trip ako with my friends, pero kinancel ko yun for this. Kasi sabi ko, first ever ASG, I can't miss this.
Was it worth it? Was it worth it?
Is it worth it? Oo, kasi dami kong pasa and na-enjoy ko talaga. Ang dami kong pasa, super, pero na-enjoy ko talaga kasi iba yung feeling na mag-perform sa Araneta tapos with yung mga tao na hindi ko naman talaga madalas nakakasama sa work. So yeah, nice.
Ikaw, Nicole, did you also have plans or did you like set aside plans for the ASG?
Yes and no. Because that was actually, it's lagi nila tina-timing na birth week ko. Yung nangyayari
Happy
yung mga
birthday!
events. I know. This is the
Important
second
ka na.
time that I'm spending it in Araneta. Like, so parang hindi ko alam kung magpaplano ako o hindi kasi may mga prep nga. But it went pretty well naman. I'm very happy kasi
Nakutuban mo na yun, no? Birthday ko, meron na
hindi,
naman.
sinabihan ako. Sabi ko talagang ita-timing talaga, no? Kasi I had plans for it. Like, of course, I wanted to do shows or, pero wala eh. So, pero it was so fun. As in, I don't play volleyball, but it was so fun to just give
really? Like, yun lang talaga yung sports na pwede. Volleyball. Was it either volleyball or anything?
volleyball or
For cheer
cheering.
dance,
Oh.
Yeah, but I like sports kasi. So, sabi ko I wanted to.
Did you ever imagine yourself dancing, like sa split or
Nag-cheering ako nung high school. Yeah, nagpa-flying.
Pero mas gusto mo na
I want to do sports talaga.
Something different, ganyan.
Yeah, I really like sports. Kung may basketball lang, gusto ko mag-basketball.
box
Kasi
outin mo
yun
lang.
yun talaga yung sport ko eh. So,
okay.
so parang hindi naman, wala namang babae masyado na gusto maglaro sa Viva One or hindi ko alam sinong kalaban ko. So, volleyball yung ginawa na.
Okay.
Ang dami rin pa sa worth it naman.
Worth it then. Well, that's all good. Ang dami ko nakita doon viral clips of winning medals and such. But there was also like one sweet moments. I would like to say sweet. Kasi kita ko yung mata mo like showing concern di ba?
Yeah.
Kay Giles.
Yeah.
And a lot of people were saying na grabe yung iyak ni
ni
Jai na parang wow, totoo ba?
Sobrang daming emotions yung mga nangyayari sa amin at that time eh. Kasi parang, I think sunod-sunod siya. We did volleyball, then right after cheering. So parang, people were just really excited and doing everything. Tas na-injure agad.
Yung adrenaline, sobrang
And then si Lance, parang things were just happening very quickly.
Left and right,
Yeah, left and
ganon.
right. Na parang we didn't understand. Pati ako tuloy, ano ba? Ano ba nangyayari?
Akala ko ba games lang to? Bakit nagiging totoo na?
Oo, nagiging totoo na. Pero yun, it was fun. I think it's memorable for everybody. Yeah.
What was one thing na you think na enjoy nyo as kayo and also the fans?
Ako personally, I think yung pabiglaan kong pa-cupid kay Jai, tawang-tawa talaga ako sa ginawa ko.
Sigawan lahat.
Hindi kasi tawang-tawa lang ako kasi hindi ko expect na mag-score ako agad. First serve ko yun, tapos nag-score. So ang yaman ko agad, yes!
Service ace, no?
Oo, pinana ako agad si Jai. Tapos, wala, paano mo hindi papansin? Ang laki ng ulo ko dun sa tabi, sa gilid. So, sa kanya na talaga yung ko. So, feeling ko na-enjoy nila yun. And me too. It was very fun kasi nakapag-score ako. To think that I wouldn't. But yeah.
Ikaw naman, Aubrey, like, what was one thing na you think you and both the fans enjoyed?
Siguro na-enjoy nila siguro seeing me dance because nasanay sila na seeing me na umaarte lang, kumakanta. So parang it's not new to them pero natutuwa lang din sila. Na parang na-enjoy lang nila yung performance and nakakatawa lang cause ang daming mga videos na akala nila na parang ako to. Kasi pag cheer dance, para kayo na outfit, para kayo ng
Yeah,
look.
oo.
Parang binibidyohan nila to pagkaharap. Ay, hindi si Aubrey so dito. So may mga ganong moments. Pero na-enjoy naman nila lahat talaga yung performance.
Ang hirap palang trabaho nun, no, yung mga dedicated fan camps. Yung sa mga K-pop groups, di ba? And napapaisip ako, paano na napapasteady yun? They have all these like equipments, gimbal. Pero even if may ganun, kailangan alam mo nasan yung tao di ba? So, ang hirap sundan.
Yeah.
So,
And kudos sa kanila. Why? Kasi parang kaysa enjoy nila yung buong talagang magfa-fan cam sila sa'yo lang.
para
So,
ma-enjoy din ng mga tao. And of course yun, na makita mo, wow!
Ganun pala yun.
Ganun pala ako.
diba?
Okay, yeah. Oh my gosh. Lovely All-Star Games. Hopefully may isa pa. Tapos sana nga, na-imagine ko what if swap naman? Kayong girls mag-basketball. Tapos
diba?
yung boys mag-volleyball.
Cheering. No, why not? No? Oh my gosh. I'm so down.
Kasi madami yung
Them in skirts? Oh my gosh.
Sige, pati costume swap na rin.
Yeah.
Wala,
With
naka-jersey kayo
pom-poms
lahat
and
ganyan.
all. Oh, yeah.
I'm so excited
Kanino
for that.
panaginip?
Oo nga, pwede rin cheer.
No, diba? Kanino panaginip to?
Panaginip pa ba ito? Okay. We'll take a quick break, then we'll be back in just a bit. We'll talk about our yesterday's escape. Don't go anywhere. We are Magic 89.9.
Magic 89.9.
That was Onse with Sandali, currently number 1 on the Magic Pop 30. So if you guys have the time to vote for your favorite songs, you can head on over to www.magic899.com to vote for your favorite songs and have it be part of the Magic Pop 30. Okay, now we talked about some injuries off air. Get well soon kay Lance Carr. At
Yes.
sana may boy best friend pa siya. Grabe kasi.
Yeah.
He was supposed to be here pero sayang. Anyways, next time na lang. Ngayon, let's talk about our yesterday's escape because this is in connection with what had happened sa All-Star Games. Immediately after I saw the statement, sabi ko, oh my gosh, ano nangyari? And then nakita ko na, oh my gosh, ganon. It's that bad. For those who don't know, Aubrey explained.
Yeah. Parang hindi ko alam kung tama kong salta. Pero, ayun nga, ACL tear. Ano ba yung tawag doon? Tapos, may mga ligament din na naputol daw. So, kanina may nag-surgery si Lance. So, ayun. Yun lang yung alam kong update. Ba't ngayon napapagaling na siya?
Yun lang. And, get well soon, Lance. Last time, December pa rin yung last time with you and si Marco.
si Marco.
So yun, this will be, yung release is moved na to September 19.
Yes.
As per this,
As per
the
this day.
statement.
Yes.
For a quick refresher, for those who don't know, Our Yesterday Escapes is the final installment of the University series and both of you are part of there.
Yes.
Pero mas ito ay para siyang, as I would like to call it, the Avengers Endgame siya ng all of the University series. It
Right.
follows your character, Kiera, and then babalik, well, para siyang time skip, di ba? Is it a time skip or some...
Not a time skip. I think, because it jumps in between.
Oo, jumps in between. No? So
Yes.
parang hindi siya fixed
Yes.
in that sense, but
Yes.
it follows the journey.
Yes, yes.
Nyo ni Jai or yung character niya si Sean.
Yeah.
And then, I wanted to know, saan ka papasok dito?
Papasok ako
Sa banyo.
every time may barkada moments.
Oo.
Doon ako pumapasok yung social butterfly ng barkada. Doon talaga si Sam. And na rin siya, lalabas na rin siya siguro sa latter part na. Pag parang sa barkada moments
Oo,
and yung
yeah.
padulo na talaga din.
Hindi. Kahit in between. Yung part ni Miguel.
Oh yeah, pero I mean, sa kung baga sa series, yung parang mas madami na ako, like padulo na din talaga. Gumaganon-ganon lang ako. Parang, hi, tas labas wala
May
na.
malaking bagay yung role niya. Kasi,
Oo, barkada, di ba?
hindi kasi there's moments na pinagdadaan si Kiera na siya talaga yung easy call na would easily come.
Yeah.
Other than Heaven, si Luna. So, si Sam, her role is, ang dami niya ding parts na talagang savior ni Kiera.
Oh. You think na ganun ka rin klaseng person in real? Parang sama, pa hindi. Hindi po.
Ganun din ako in a way. Like, ito kay Nicole, pag may kailangan siyang pwede niya akong tawagan. Tapos pag may mga chika siya na, minsan ako nakakaalam, wow! Special ko. Pero ayun, may mga chika na parang ako. So parang I'm super like happy, I'm honored kasi alam mo yun, na parang natatrust nila ako with their mga life or ganap sa buhay. Pero I'm that kind of friend also. baka ma-late lang kasi syempre nagko-commute lang ako. So, hindi ko masabing
Sorry
like,
po kasi yung traffic.
yeah, one call away, friend naman, pero, ay, wait lang ha, it will take time ha.
One call away pero late na ako.
Give me
dyan.
a few hours,
Give me a few hours, okay?
Tapos pagdating, I'm here. It's parang okay na.
Okay na.
Sige, okay na. I asked this kila Nicole and Jai before na how are they feeling na ito na yung last talaga eh. So I wanted to ask for your perspective then. Like, I'm assuming na read mo rin yung sa series, how the fans, yung mga perceptions nila on it. Ikaw personally, how do you feel about it?
Alam mo, nung mga una-una, parang sabi ko na, ang tagal, ang dami pa nito, ganyan. Parang book 1, book 2, parang, kasi book 4 pa ako. So, ang tagal no, haba pa. Tapos ngayon book 6, parang, eto na yun, tapos na, ba tapos na? Parang
Parang
ayoko
bilis,
pa.
parang bitin pa.
Oo, nung dati parang kumbaga dragging siya na ang tagal, no? Tapos ang dami yung mga promo. Tapos ngayon parang, ito na yun, last na talaga. Tapos parang ako, I'm happy and sad at the same time. I'm happy because finally, sina Nicole na, because ang tagal nila naghintay from si Nicole book 1. Tapos ngayon palang
Yun
book.
talaga, yun.
Like
Silang hintay talaga.
4 years, no? More than
hair ko, sobra-sobra.
more than 4 years. Tapos parang para lang dun sa lead roles nila. So, ako, happy for them. Happy na finally yung mga fans talaga ng book, lalo na yung Oye, mapapanood na nila yung adaptation. Sad kasi matatapos na. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na parang ito na yung last na pagsasama namin. Pero siguro matatagalan bago kami magsama-sama ulit lahat na Univercada. So, ayun. Pero really grateful sa Viva for this opportunity because nakakilala ko ng, alam mo yun, artist na will turn maging friends ko talaga in real life. And parang ito yung talagang isa sa biggest blessings ni Lord sa akin kasi nag-open siya ng maraming doors. Para mas appreciate ako ng maraming tao, ma-recognize yung talent ko. So, ayun.
And you deserve it. Kaya ngayon, ang dami-dami mo rin. Ang dami nangyari sa'yo. Which is for one, ito, we talked about this before, yung sa Carry On, this new series between you and Lance. Pero, yun nga, mukhang may delays again.
Yes, mapopostpone siya. So, parang ipapalabas siya later date na lang siguro cause kailangan mag-recover muna ni Lance. Like, fully recover.
Fully recover. Kasi syempre, it's also what you owe, not only for yourselves, kasi another project for you guys, but also for the fans na we're looking forward to.
Yes. And the story din kasi, ang dami hinihingi, medyo adventurous yung yung Carry On. Tapos basta madaming physical, activities. Sila yung spoil ko. Na kailangan talaga na dapat physically,
okay
mentally healthy ka. Oo, dapat okay talaga siya.
Sige nga, for the both of you, were there moments na any project, any series or movies of you've worked on na hindi kayo 100% okay? And how did it literally affect yung performances niyo doon?
Ako, AOTD. Kasi parang every other day, nagtitaping kami.
May kalagnat, gano'n?
Like, nagkaubo ako, tapos parang may parts doon na wala na akong boses. So, meron kaming fights, not fight scene, but yung pag-away scene namin ni Lance na kailangan magtaasan kami ng boses.
Malat ka?
Oo, na parang ang pagkasabi ko, so what?
Pero sometimes that works, di ba?
Yeah.
Parang sabi na, wow, ang galing ng acting niya.
Pero super galit.
Hindi nila alam.
Pero ang hirap kasi, di ba syempre, nagjo-jump naman kami ng taping. So yung continuity nung una, parang na-tape ko siya nung una. Di ba okay yung voice ko? Pagdating dito sa next scene, parang,
Wala na.
so, parang ganun. Tapos parang super hard siya sa akin because nagsastruggle na yung voice ko. Hindi ako talaga feeling well. And parang the prod, ako yung klase ng artist na, no, ayoko kasi maging burden. Ayoko na parang pa-stop yung shoot. Kasi syempre, a lot na sila.
Oras,
At saka budget for this eh. Tapos parang sila na yung namimilit sa akin na, hindi, magpahinga ka na please. Kasi parang mas stress sa kanila and problem sa kanila. If ever, mas lumala yung sakit ko.
mo,
Tapos, mas stop talaga all the way yung shoot.
Which is why it's important talaga to get better, gano'n.
Yes, oo.
Ikaw rin, similar moment na namalat ka rin or gano'n.
Yes, pero theater naman. Yeah, I had to take important medicine for my voice to come out.
Sa labat.
Yeah,
Ganun.
yeah, that's one of them, I guess. But I had to take like strong medicine for it to come out kasi I got scared. Kala ko may nodes na or something.
Oh
Kasi
my gosh,
first
katakot
time
yun.
ko na wala akong boses. As in wala. Hindi siya paos, hindi siya
Like
malang.
kahit anong try mo,
Wala.
nothing's coming out.
Wala.
Ganun.
And I
That
was
time
so stressed.
nagtitaping pa din siya. Tapos
Nagtitaping
nag-theater
ako,
siya. So,
tapos
ang hirap.
theater ako. Tapos parang, I had to do, ito yung Christmas show that I did last year. Christmas Carol.
Carol,
Yeah,
oh.
and I had to...
Was it rep?
No, it's Nine Works.
Yeah,
Sa
Nine Works.
Proscenium, yeah. Tapos I had to, we did promotions for Christmas. So
Yeah,
we did
yeah.
like tree lighting. We had like, basta ang dami sa Rockwell. Marami kaming, wala talaga. Tapos parang wala akong magagawa kung di, wala. I have to put the show, I had to be careful but at the same time, I had to push it. Pero natakot din ako kasi umabot sa point na kailangan ko yung steroids na talagang I had to force.
Anything to enhance talaga, no?
Yeah,
Para
something
lumay
should
malabas.
come out.
Oo.
Yeah. So, natakot ako kasi hindi sanay yung body ko na ganon, na
Oo.
pinupush. Of course, it's bad. Pero, ayun, may after effect din talaga siya. So,
Yeah.
yun yung medyo kailangang ingatan.
Oo.
Yeah.
Like, if only you had the choice not to like rest it out, you would have.
I would have, but
But
wala
kasi
eh.
yun ang hirap sa theater eh. Hindi pwedeng
Hindi.
pwedeng mag-sub eh. I mean, unless may understudy,
People bought
diba?
tickets na and
Exactly.
everything. And it's live. I can't record it. I can't,
Oo.
so, sobrang lala. Pero,
Hindi siya pwede i-cheat eh, no? Unless
hindi,
yung
sabi
yung
ko,
parang
pwede bang may gumawa tapos ililip-sync ko? Kasi hindi talaga pwede. Ang hirap.
drag queen ka pala.
Drag queen.
Nag-lip-sync battle siya sa stage.
Kasi wala eh. At first time yun.
Oo.
Pero wala, pares kami. Nakakahiya kasi to be a burden to the rest of the
Oo.
people. So they told me to keep quiet. Like, vocal rest, don't talk, don't, Pero wala din. Ang hirap pag nagtatawa na sila, di ka tatawa. Paano no? So, kailangan, ewan ko, I guess it's discipline din.
Di
It's
pag
a lot
ganun daw, hampasin mo na.
Hampasin mo na lang.
Pag natatawa ka na, ganyan.
puro sampal yung makakuha nila.
This is why rest is important. Even if, kunwari, lalo sa'yo, like, kaya I'm concerned, last time we talked, sabi mo, sunod-sunod projects mo.
Yeah.
I mean, New Year's resolution mo naman yan. So, hiniling mo rin naman. Ginusto mo yan.
Ginusto ko naman.
Pero yung rest talaga is important. So, wishing recoveries as well kila Lance and syempre kayo rin, like you find time not only for yourself but also to rest. We'll take a quick break again and we'll talk about your new MV. Balik-balik na rin. Which was released, was it kaninang 12?
Yesterday, 8 p.m.
Oh, diba? Wala,
Nakikita.
kasi may trabaho ko siyang 3 a.m. Kaya nawawala ng konsepto ng oras. Okay, we'll take a quick break. Commercials on your way. We're Magic 89.9.
Magic 89.9.
Ariana Grande with a song called Hate That I Made You Love Me. Ooh, this is long. By the way, that song is brought to you by New Star Online. Experience New Star Online for a chance to enjoy exciting daily rewards and bonuses. Have fun, take it easy. Promo runs until December 31, 2026. EGLD reference number MKTG 2026-0949. Gambling is for persons 21 years old and above only. Gambling can be addictive. Know when to stop. Email at responsiblegaming@pagcore.ph. I've been waiting to do that for so long and I finally was able to, and I don't want to do it again. Kasi, anyways, we are back.
Pwede pala yun.
ADHD. Sorry.
Naging Donald Duck.
Pwede. Si Will gumawa ng impressions pero mamaya. Mamaya na. Okay, balik-balik na rin na MV release last night. Nawalan kasi ako ng konsepto sa oras. Thank you for reminding me na mawawala na ako ng buhay. How was it? I mean, obviously, hindi ka naman stranger to to songs, to singing, to your craft. But this one, how was the reception? How did it feel shooting that music video?
Shooting the music video, yung music video very lang naman, simple lang yung concept niya, very light. Kung ano yung parang sa song, na parang, yung song kasi parang hoping yung tao eh. So parang ganun lang, hopeful lang siya, pero sa dulo parang ilalet go na lang niya, ganyan. So parang ganun lang din yung concept, very aura-aura lang, beauty shots, mga
Oo,
ganun.
sabi ko simula pa lang, pagkagising pa lang no? Sabi
Diba?
ko,
Full glam lang.
Ang ganda naman ng
Glam.
gising nito.
Yeah.
Sana all paggising ganun
Diba? So yun lang, parang the director, the team wanted na parang very fresh lang.
Yeah.
Hindi yung super na complicated na ipapakita talaga. Cause gusto nila, like yung the song itself, yung lyrics, na maririnig mo na yung story niya eh. So gusto lang nila like alam mo, simple concept, very lang, aura lang, mas mapakinggan nila talaga yung song.
And true to you.
Ganon.
True to who
Yes.
Aubrey is. Ganyan.
Tapos, yun, shooting it was so quick lang, like, I think 4 hours. Pinakamabilis kong shoot talaga.
Ever, like in
Ever.
all
'Cause-
ano ba siya?
Oo, kasi dapat, di ba, like half a day.
Or a day.
Oh, or a
Oo.
day. Ganun talaga. Pero like 4 hours lang because it was so quick lang talaga.
Parang unheard of ng 4 hours.
Yeah.
Usually pag shooting talaga 12 hours minimum.
Yeah.
Yeah, ako din nagulat din ako
Ano
eh.
yun, one layout? I mean, ano siya?
No, meron kaming 3 layouts. Tapos sobrang bilis niya. Like, parang it's so funny because kailangan ko ng quick change. Kala mo nagtitaping kami or parang nagsitheater na quick change?
Baka nagkamadali sila.
Music video. Pero like, 4 hours lang yung inalot nila for the music video.
Oo.
Oh, that's so weird. Pero para sa ko, okay, kasi simple lang naman yung concept. And pag napanood niyo siya, very aura-aura lang, beauty shots, ganon.
Oo.
Yeah, it was so fun din kasi finally like natapos siya agad and na-release siya cause ang tagal ko din naghintay ng final output
Oo.
nito. Pero yun, happy naman.
Ikaw, parang alam mo na yung mga ganyan. Ito, quick trick question. Trick
question?
Trick
Kinabahan
question.
ako.
Parang if ikaw makakapag-direct ka ng music video,
Uy.
anong direction ang gusto mo?
Ano yung kanta? Ano yung music? Diba dapat
Sige,
may
on the
naman?
top of your mind, anong music gusto mong i-direct na gagawa ng music video? Any, international, local,
Oo.
iling-iling kung gusto mo.
A
Ganun.
specific artist, ganon.
Natawa naman ako. Okay, kasi kanina pinakinggan ko yung Tagpuan ni Moira.
Oh.
And,
Okay. Oh.
and then nag-play kasi
Go
siya.
back.
Bakit kaya? Namangga ko lang. Tapos in relation lang din, I guess, I think it'd be nice to give tribute to because our story, I don't know, I think we've mentioned it to
Yeah,
kami ni Jai, how heavy it is. So for that song na Tagpuan, feeling ko iba yung magiging tama nun sa characters namin, and that would be nice to,
I mean, yung music video nun itself talaga.
is already
Ganon.
I know.
Pagag, ganon. tapos if you made it as a tribute, parang not only would it be heartfelt for the fans,
Yes.
pero both kayo ni Jai.
Yes, and they know the story. Not me and Jai, but yung role namin. I think that's giving more impact. Like, ang galing kasi talaga ni Guay, no? It's really Guay's powers. Like,
Her mind.
Yeah, her mind. Like, how she really curated this story and each and every one story in a way na parang pag nilagyan mo siya ng tamang music, siguro ang sakit talaga. Parang instead, it's a positive song.
It is,
But it's because they know the story of Sean and Kara, I think it's going to be heavy.
there's this weight pa yun,
Yes,
na
there's this
additional
weight.
factor siya. to
Yeah,
it.
so
Yeah.
siguro kung magdedirect ako, ang ganda talaga kung may pinanggagalingang kwento. Yun siya.
Ganda. Sige nga.
Bilis. Oh my gosh.
Bigyan tayo ideas, ganyan.
Sige. Send mo. Gising ka naman hanggang 3 eh.
Oo, sige. Every 30 minutes. Nicole, okay ba yung concept?
Yes.
Okay, back to okay, sige. Congratulations again dun sa music video.
Thank
and
you.
this one as well. Rosario, I talked about this with you kasi I'm a huge fan of horror, diba? And then last time I had si Rose and then si Scream Queen na Pilipinas daw. The official ghost of the Philippines, ganyan. And then yung perspective din niya of being a villain. And I think I've asked about yours na, kaya hindi ko na ulitin yun. But now is more of like the reception you've heard from people, yung concept ng pamahiin, diba? It's a lot people are unfamiliar with, pero how do you feel na people took it, ganon?
Alam mo, madami akong nabasa like mga messages and pumunta rin ako ng mga block screenings.
Wow!
So, ng mga
Like,
fans
ginugulat mo
namin.
sila.
Yeah. Tapos parang ako nagre-request talaga ako na for them to give their honest feedback or
Yeah,
reviews. Alam mo, good reviews or kahit basta maging honest lang sila.
Patingin ng letterbox nila, ganyan.
para mas ma-reach sa wider audience ng film namin. And sila, nagbe-message din talaga sila na parang, I really like the film. Parang, it's very new to us na meron palang kailangan palang i-cut yung rosary. Tapos parang, you know what, ate, I believe this, ginawa namin to. Yung mga ganyan. So,
Agad-agad? Ay, hindi naman sana, pero...
Pero I mean, ginagawa din pala talaga nila. So parang common pala siya, ganyan. It's not that, like, hindi daw tradition lang sa family pala nila. Ginagawa pala daw yun na
Like, it's
lahat.
known by a lot of people then.
Yeah, so
Ganon.
ayun yung mga naanohan ko. And ayun, parang iba-iba yung reactions nila sa movie namin. Some are like, praises, some ay hindi. Pero that's fine. It's part
I mean,
naman
lagi
talaga.
naman. Kasi
Lagi, oo.
if puro praises lang isang bagay, parang echo chamber na lang
Yeah.
siya. Hindi na nagkakaroon ng strive to
Development.
improve.
Yeah.
Taray, development. Ganon.
Room for development.
Oo. And kasi a lot of people, kasi nagkasabay siya with like Hollywood blockbusters. And then there was like a thing on Twitter na sinasabi nila na bakit yung CGI, ganyan-ganyan. Guys, let's be realistic.
Yeah.
Western sila eh. Wala
Yeah.
tayong
Actually, and we only had like 6 days to shoot the horror film.
Oh, diba?
Yeah.
6 days.
6 days.
Kaya parang
Yeah.
gonna imagine if less than a week, sila months even.
Months. Kaya parang years pa nga eh. Kasi
Like, prep
nagtitake,
pa.
prep
Oo.
sila, take time. Kami talaga like days lang. Pero yun naman, I'm really proud naman sa team because grabe yung production, ginawa talaga nila lahat-lahat. Siyempre parang may mga expectations lang din yung mga tao. Fan kasi sila ng mga, alam mo yun, foreign na horror films. Pero ayun nga, sinasabi namin at the end of the day, like pagbigyan nila ng chance yung Filipino films, yung pelikula namin.
Always.
Oo.
It's always like that. Like people would say na para sa akin this is like wala kayo dito ako. Ano may sabihin ko? Safe kayo.
Okay.
Like reassure. Pero 'di ba it's just sad na a lot of people spend so much money on foreign films tapos magsasabi sila ng ganun about Philippines without even giving it a chance. And then when they see na maganda, bigla silang, bakit hindi nyo ganyan? Ang daming puro ganon. Or hihintayin pa nila maging available.
Streaming na.
Hindi nga streaming. Yung iba, di ba pinipirata pa. Tapos pag nakita nilang maganda, bigla na lang, ay sayang, ganon. So parang, I think now is like, yun nga, to not only to like combat piracy, but to more of like, habang andun pa, di ba, supportan na natin.
Bigyan ng chance.
Bigyan ng chance. Bago
Yeah.
pa mawala yung chance na mapanood din, masuportahan yung,
Yes.
yung mga Kasi pinaghihirapan nyo yan, ilang oras kayo nagsushoot.
Oo naman. Grabe.
Tapos yung sa inyo location nyo, abandoned, ano nga ba yun?
Yeah, like yung mga house, tapos cemetery.
Old
Abandoned
Filipino
yung
house
house na
talaga daw, di ba?
Mga old Filipino house. Yeah. The cemetery. Grabe.
Actually, kahit ako mabilis habang bago mag-break. Si Rose daw, there was a scene na nag-chant daw siya ng Latin pero hindi niya alam yung sinasabi niya. Tapos they were doing it for like 4 hours. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, nakakatakot yung ganun. Kasi
Oh my gosh.
hindi mo naintindi sinasabi mo, di ba? What if? Like, ang dami ko
Hindi
nang...
pina-translate naman lang. Nakakatakot.
Parang ang sabi daw niya, "Buti, sabihin mo na lang yan." Tapos siya parang, ano daw?
Oh, yeah. Yun yung opening ng film eh.
Pinapaligiran siya ng kandila.
Yeah.
Candles. Tapos sasaksakin pa siya.
That's why
Hindi
sinasabi.
pinoil na.
Hindi, okay lang. Kasi, kaya,
Tapos
paano
naman
siya naging
naman.
ghost?
Oo, pero alam mo yun, kaya sila din nakaka-film. Lalo na yun, katulad ni Rose na ng ganun talaga, ng characters. Nakaka-feel sila ng bad energy talaga.
Oo.
Because they're doing it talaga for the scene.
Scary.
Hirap.
Horror is scary.
Super.
Okay, sige. Oh my gosh, natakot. Magugulatan pa kami. We'll take another quick break before we head on over and say goodbye. Oh, bilis na 1 hour. Quick commercial breaks in just a few and we'll be back. We are Magic 89.9.
Magic 89.9.
Twice with a song called This Is For. It is sakto. And it is time for us to say bye-bye in a bit. One last question. Ay, hindi natanong ko na pala off-air. Ano ba yan? Hindi yung non-negos pagka magsushoot sa isang... Siguro, sige, not only horror film, pero in any film, parang what is one thing na parang pinagpe-pray nyo na sana hindi dito yung shooting area?
Oh, area?
Area or ano ba yung term? Basta kung saan mo magsushoot.
Oh, location.
Location? 3 a.m.
Kaya.
Ano ba?
Ano sa'yo? Hindi ako makaisip.
Basta sa akin, siguro, ewan ko, I mean, no choice naman kasi kami.
Oo, yun nga eh. Pero if ever lang.
If ever, like, wag sana abandoned hospital. Ewan ko.
Yeah, yung mga asylum.
Oh, yeah, yung mga ganun, abandoned na.
Ay, yung gonjam.
Mga ganyan siguro.
Oo.
Gusto
So
yung,
scary.
gusto yung may mga kwento.
May
kwento
history
sa-
talaga.
May history. I think
Oo.
kasi it adds to it eh. Lalo na kung horror yung ginagawa mo.
Yeah.
Tsaka hindi gawang-gawang history. Like
It's actual.
may news, may history talaga na
Like, I
gano'n.
think yun yung, hindi naman maiiwasan, pero if kayang dayain, wag na lang doon.
Yeah,
kasi
yeah.
kasi parang ako medyo laking probinsya yung mga belief ng parents
Yeah,
ko.
oo.
So naniniwala talaga ako sa mga energy or other beings na parang kung baka maapektuhan kami bilang artist na we're just acting pero we might bring some home.
Trabaho
You know what I
nyo,
mean?
oo.
Yeah, it's a scary thing. So siguro yung iwasan namin, may mga history talaga.
Safety and well-being nyo pa rin.
Yes.
So not us, but sa lahat.
Mm.
No, sa lahat.
Minsan nag-iinsenso pa yan Tuwing may taping kami sa Baguio, talagang ini-insenso yung buong
Pagka,
place.
theater din, kasi diba, graduate din ng theater, nag-aalay kami ng itlog at mamon or
Really?
something
May mga
bago
ganon.
talaga mag-play. Para
Or-
lang,
Yes.
Hindi ko alam.
Sa mismong
Trip
place.
lang.
Di, sa mismong place.
sa mismong
meron.
place. Baka kasi meron silang parang guardian,
Yes.
gano'n. Na parang,
Gets.
Mamaya ko
Parang-
ikikwento yung sa pet.
para hindi mangyaring masama, gano'n. There's this also, anong play yon? Was it Hamlet ba or Macbeth?
Baka Macbeth.
Shakespearean na na very dangerous daw, ganon. May nagkakaroon doon ng aksidente, ganon. So iba talaga todo alay sila, ganyan.
Yeah.
So, yun.
Depende talaga. Nakakatakot.
Share ko lang, nanakot pa ulit.
First time
Oo.
ko marinig yun na may ganun sa theater.
Oo, kasi we're
Wala.
reenacting
Oo.
din kasi. It's actually, it feels more
Actually, mas
real.
nakakatakot nga.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, kasi walang cuts.
Walang daya din.
Diretso siya. Yeah.
So hindi mo alam kung nagsastruggle na ba siya?
Gusto mo i-try?
No.
Okay, sige. Okay, we are down to the last 7 minutes. Anything that you guys wanna promote, music stuff, and anong pwedeng abangan ng mga fans? Let's start with you, Ollie.
Yun po, please stream my songs on on all digital streaming platforms. Lalo na po ngayon, available ang Balik-Balik Tarin. And Panaginip, meron po akong rendition ng Panaginip ng Hot Dog Song. And please watch my newest music video ng Balik-Balik Tarin on my YouTube channel. And panoorin niyo po ang Our Yesterday's Escape, and we will have our mall show this 29th sa Antipolo. So sana po makapunta kayo. And yun, carry on soon pa siya. So, ayun lang. And please follow me on my social media accounts. Thank you, guys.
Yes. And for me naman, the same pa rin, Our Yesterday's Escape. Of course, it has been moved this September 19. Pero marami pang mangyayari at maraming ilalabas. And of course, yung mall show namin this 29th in Antipolo. Is it
Robinson's
Antipolo. We have a lot of artists coming there. So sana abangan nyo. And also, I'm reviving or binubuhay ko ulit yung aking YouTube channel tonight with our mini vlog nung concert ni Ashton. So
Yes!
sana supportahan nyo. I-upload
Yay!
ko na yan
Okay,
later.
anong oras? Para first comment ako. Wala lang, bida-bida lang.
6 siguro. 6.
Six siguro. May pag 6 o'clock tayo.
Sorry na.
Kasi may trabaho pa ako.
As in, nagre-remind lagi. yes.
So 10 minutes before, Nicole.
Nicole, paki-upload
Reminder
na.
lang.
Yes. 6 guys, 6 yan. I-upload natin. So, yun. And of course, I guess, just check out, updates on our social media accounts. So, yun. Thank you.
Hey, thank you so much. Remember guys, supportan natin ang pelikulang Pilipino. Wow. Grabe. Parang ambassador.
Yes.
Stream legally, download Viva One app to watch the series that Nicole and Aubrey are in, and of course para abangan rin yung sa September 19 na Our Yesterday's Escape. Okay. Let's go. Okay, I got something as we go. This has been on repeat sa playlist ko every time na I'm commuting. It's one of my favorite songs from our favorite Filipina, Olivia Rodrigo, with a song called The Cure. You're listening to today's best music, Rare Magic 89.9. Bye-bye!
Magic 89.9.